Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Spotify Party of the Year 2026 to discover your first song and all-time listens. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to open up your Spotify application. This is my app and you're going to check your homepage and you will see this badge. Okay, you can click on this badge, guys. Your party of the years. Rediscover your all-time listens now. Okay, and you're going to get this party. And hold on, it's still loading. Okay, please join us for your party of the years. Step back in time to celebrate your first listens and all-time hits. And click on this menu. Tap to begin. Okay. Oh, my first day on Spotify was March 17, 2020. And click on Let's Party. Oh, next gift, sorry. Click on next gift. Since then, you've listened to, more than 4K songs. And I'm going to click on next gift. Okay, it's 2020. Which song was your first ever listens? And these are the possible songs. And yeah, I'm gonna click on next. Okay, and let's see it together, guys. My first song, it's Kick It by NCT 127, first streamed March 17, 2020. Okay, and your all-time most streamed artist. Okay, it's 80s. And next. All right, and I think this is the end. I don't know. Okay, yeah, this is the end. And you can save to your library or you can click on next. I'm just going to click on next. Okay, and we can share it or we can restart. Again, this is my result, guys. And if you can't see this party of the year, guys, I would like to recommend you to update your Spotify, or you can try to clear your cache and log out or log in. Log out and log in and reinstall the app. If you can't see this menu, try to update in your Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. Okay guys, and that's how you can see your Spotify Party of the Year 2026. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.